Hello kids, come on, let's learn number together. Number 1. 1 apple. Number 2. 2 pencils. 1 2. Number 3. 3 flowers. 1 2 3. Number 4. 4 ants. 1 2 3 4. 4 ants. Number 5. 5 balloons. 1 2 3 4 5. Number 6. 6 butterflies. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 butterflies. Number 7. 7 balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 balls. Number 8. 8 birds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 birds. Number 9. 9 pair of shoes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 pair of shoes. Number 10. 10 books. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 books. Come on students, let's learn number together.
1 2 3 4 5. Once I've got a fish alive. 6 7 8 9 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. 1 2 3 4 5. Once I've got a fish alive. 6 7 8 9 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right.
Alright kids, it's fun learning number with you. We will come again. Till then, bye-bye.